Hello and welcome back to Kuki Decor, your go-to channel for creative wood furniture and decor ideas. In today's video, we are diving into the world of modern minimalist furniture, but with a sustainable twist. We'll show you how to repurpose old wood into clean, elegant, and functional furniture pieces that not only elevate your space, but also reduce waste and celebrate natural beauty. Whether you've got leftover timber, salvaged planks, or vintage wood pieces lying around, we'll help you reimagine them into stunning modern designs that perfectly suit a minimalist aesthetic. So if you love eco-friendly living, simple yet stylish furniture, and DIY decor inspiration, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we explore smart, sustainable design ideas that bring old wood new life, with a touch of modern minimalism. In today's design world, the fusion of sustainability and minimalism is becoming more than just a trend, it's a conscious lifestyle. One of the most rewarding and eco-friendly ways to embody this shift is by repurposing old wood into modern minimalist furniture. At Kuki Decor, we are passionate about showing you how aged, reclaimed, or even discarded timber can be transformed into clean, functional, and artistic pieces that elevate your living spaces while treading lightly on the environment. Old wood tells a story. Each grain, knot, or weathered texture carries a natural elegance that factory-made materials often lack. But what makes it even more special in minimalist design is its raw authenticity. When paired with the principles of minimalism, simplicity, function, and clarity, reclaimed wood becomes the star of the show. The result is furniture that exudes warmth, depth, and intention. Let's start with one of the most common and striking uses: minimalist coffee tables made from salvaged wood. Picture a low-profile table with smooth, sharp lines and a polished surface, yet bearing the marks of time, cracks, aged grain, maybe even nail holes. The juxtaposition of rustic texture with minimalist form creates an effortlessly modern aesthetic. You can design a floating top with concealed legs or use hairpin metal legs to blend industrial charm with the organic touch of wood. Another elegant idea is a minimalist bookshelf or wall-mounted shelving unit. Instead of over-designed, bulky units, imagine a clean wall shelf using a single slab of reclaimed wood with live edges. These shelves, supported by hidden brackets or matte black supports, can hold books, plants, or minimal decor items. They make the space feel grounded, organic, and uncluttered, the true essence of minimalism. Benches and stools are also excellent small-scale projects for reused wood. A sleek wooden bench with square legs or a floating seat design works wonderfully in entryways, dining spaces, or even as a statement piece at the foot of your bed. For a minimalist look, keep the shape linear and clean, and let the natural imperfections of the wood take center stage. Sand down only as much as needed for safety and balance, and apply a matte finish or natural oil to preserve its charm. Moving to more functional and larger pieces, a repurposed wood dining table is a masterpiece in minimalist design. The design philosophy here is to let the table be both simple and strong. Instead of ornamental carvings or excessive layering, a slab of old wood resting on geometric or metal legs becomes the perfect centerpiece in a modern home. Its character speaks for itself. And since dining tables are places where people gather, the authenticity and sustainability behind the piece become natural conversation starters. Now let's talk about bed frames and headboards. Old timber, when treated and reinforced correctly, can make a stunning minimalist bed frame. Whether you opt for a floating design or a low-profile platform bed, using uniform planks or even pallet wood adds a warm, grounded feel to bedrooms. A minimalist headboard made from a single piece of weathered wood, mounted behind the bed, brings in character without overwhelming the visual flow of the room. Don't underestimate the power of side tables and nightstands either. These compact pieces are perfect for experimenting with repurposed wood, especially for beginners. A cube-shaped side table with a hollow middle, a clean block design, or a cantilevered top design made from old wood offers practicality and beauty in one. These pieces can also double as plant stands or minimal accent furniture. One of the most artistic and subtle applications of old wood in minimalist furniture is in floating shelves or console tables with hidden compartments. These designs allow for both display and storage without clutter. Minimal hardware, push-to-open drawers, and neutral finishes keep the design clean, while the wood provides the tactile and visual warmth that modern furniture often lacks. Let's not forget chairs. While minimalist wooden chairs can be structurally complex due to ergonomics, combining reclaimed wood with metal frames or minimalist wooden designs can result in sturdy and elegant seating. A popular approach is using flat plank seats with curved wooden backs, where each element is refined but not overworked. The charm lies in subtle detailing, straight lines, thin profiles, and exposed joinery. In spaces like home offices or creative studios, repurposed wood desks add immense value. A streamlined desktop using a single reclaimed board or glued planks, paired with minimalist legs, brings style and sustainability to your workspace. You can incorporate hidden cable channels, attach simple storage drawers underneath, or leave it open to embrace minimalism to its fullest. Even beyond traditional furniture, old wood can be used in decorative minimal pieces that double as furniture, such as geometric wall art, wooden room dividers, or even floating stairs. These additions preserve functionality while enhancing the visual simplicity and warmth of a minimalist space. When working with old wood, the finishing process is a key. Strip away the dirt, treat for pests, and sand gently to preserve the natural patina. Choose finishes that highlight the grain, matte sealants, natural oils, or low sheen varnishes. Avoid overly glossy or synthetic coatings, as they can clash with the organic minimalism you're trying to achieve. From a sustainability standpoint, repurposing old wood helps reduce deforestation, minimizes waste, and lowers carbon footprints. You're not only creating stylish and unique furniture, but you're also giving new life to a material that might have otherwise been discarded. And because every piece of old wood is different, your furniture becomes one of a kind, something store-bought items can rarely offer. Minimalist furniture often comes with the misconception of being cold or sterile. But when you bring reclaimed wood into the equation, you instantly introduce warmth, story, and soul. It becomes a reflection of values, intentional living, conscious design, and appreciation for natural beauty. Every scratch, every uneven tone, every grain of that old wood adds to the visual poetry of your home. Thanks for watching this episode of Kuki Decor, where we explored the beauty of modern minimalist furniture made from old wood. We hope you've been inspired to look at old timber with fresh eyes and a creative spirit. Remember, minimalist design doesn't mean bland, it means thoughtful. And what's more thoughtful than giving forgotten wood a new, stylish purpose? If you enjoyed this video and want to see more eco-friendly, creative woodworking and home decor ideas, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Share your favorite design idea in the comments below, or better yet, let us know what you've built from reclaimed wood. We'd love to hear your story, and might even feature your creations in a future video. Until next time, stay creative, stay sustainable, and keep building beauty from nature with Kuki Decor.